And U.S. bonds typically rise during geopolitical unrest as investors seek safe havens. And that's what I thought was going to happen. However, in June of 2025, despite the tensions between Israel and Iran, bond prices are falling, meaning rates are going up. And here's what's happening. Inflation and oil. So it's going to break it down to just right through here, and I'll break it down briefly for you. It's not going to be a long report because here's the news. Okay, inflation. Middle East tensions have pushed oil prices up significantly. We saw that they went up 8% just today alone. Rising inflation fears. Higher inflation reduces the appeal of fixed assets like bonds since they offer a mixed return. All right, so here's what's happening, why people aren't investing in the bond market right now. With the key Fed meeting approaching, and it's coming up next week, I'm going to show you that here in a second, investors are uncertain about the future interest rate cuts. If rates stay higher for longer, existing bond prices will lose value, so many investors are just staying on the sidelines. So what a lot of investors are doing, like right now, they're like, we don't know what the Treasury is going to do. We don't know what the Fed's going to do. So we're just going to either buy gold or we're just going to sit on the sidelines, because even if we buy bonds, we might take a loss. So confidence in U.S. debt, there's still confidence. There's still growing concerns about globally about the long-term U.S. fiscal policy. As a result, some capital is flowing into gold and the U.S. dollar rather than Treasury. So you're seeing the dollar rally today as well as gold prices, and I just validated that. I'll show you these charts here in a second. No broad escalation yet, but I think it's just those turned around. This data was from earlier, so I want to just show you, it looks like Iran is now retaliating, and this thing just might get completely out of control. So we'll focus in on this. But here's basically the summary. Oil prices surge, pushing up fear of higher inflation.